Alright, how's it going, guys? In our last video, I know it was kind of boring. I was mainly just doing a few recaps and stuff of what went on um, while I was playing this world and my files were corrupted. But this video, I promise you, will be a lot more interesting because we are going to be building a ship. That is right. As you may have heard in my last video, my main goal of this series is to discover the factions and space engineers and eventually travel to a planet. And so in order to do that, I want to build a ship. So I'm going to do that. And I haven't decided how I want to do it, but I know I definitely want it to be well armored. I don't know which cockpit to use in order to achieve that goal. I think a fighter cockpit will be the best, so I'm going to go with that. But we'll see. And I'm excited. I'm excited to see what's going to happen. I think it'll be a fun experience. And yeah, we're gonna make some guns. We're gonna do a lot of things. So let's get to building. We definitely need landing gear. We need 2 cargos. We need the fighter cockpit. And then I think that should be it. I probably don't have enough steel plates. I'll make some more. Make 100 of those real quick. Alright, so yeah, I'm excited. Let's get to building. If you never played this game before and you were wondering how to switch between big and small grid, all you need to do is press the number of the item in your hotbar twice. So if you want big grid, just press it. Small grid, I guess you really need to press it once. I mean, if you're selecting something, like if I'm selecting this block right here, then you push it twice and it goes small grid. But yeah, that's it. Alright, so in order to make this ship, we are going to need quite a few materials. I'm not really sure what design I want to use. I definitely want this thing to be well armored, though. The problem is when you have it well armored, the ship kind of gets a little heavier. So it's going to be a problem because I'm going to have to sacrifice weight distribution in order to have a well-oiled running ship. Well-defended ship, I should say. If you couldn't tell, I'm not very good at narrating things when I'm building, so I may just eventually have to cut, but we'll see. I'm not very good at doing 2 things at once. So let me weld this real fast. And the reason I want to use so many cargo containers and stuff. Ooh, wait, that's not what I want. I mean, it lines up well, don't get me wrong, but hang on, let me see something. Can I transfer things? No, I can't. See, that's the problem. Let me try something. I want to be able to, if we're really going to be exploring these places and buying things and all that jazz, because we should be able to buy things, I think. In my testing world, there was a station where we could buy things and complete contracts and such. So what I'm hoping is that we will be able to do something similar here once we find them. And in order to do that, we're going to need cargo to keep my goodies safe. There we go. Okay. Well, we got quite a few steel plates. I think we are able to weld these, hopefully. Ooh, that's going to be an issue. Kinda can't. Shoot. It's fine. We'll just destroy this block. Alright, we're back. I have welded the entire... Oh, nope, I missed 3 spots here. But I've welded most of the entirety of the bottom of this ship. I don't know... Let me see if I can check. Okay, so right now it weighs 29,000... Is that 29,000 or 29? Yeah, 29,000 kilograms. I want this thing at max to be 40,000, hopefully. We might go a little bit over with all the stuff we're going to add, but we'll see. Because we're going to add a Gatling gun, for sure. right at the front here. And we're having a second cargo container right here. I don't know what else. We're going to need thrusters, that's for sure. We're going to use atmospheric thrusters, not hydrogen thrusters, because I want to take this thing on long journeys, and I don't want to have to worry about running out of thrust. We're going to need an O2 generator, so we'll go craft that real fast. We'll craft an O2 generator and a Gatling gun, and we'll see how that turns out. Production, small blocks, Gatling gun. We'll just take one of these, and then generator, take one of these. There's my Gatling gun. My generator. Where is it? Here it is. All right, let's get down to business. So I think with 2 medium cargo containers, that is the same amount of storage we have on my little rover over here. And it looks pretty good. I think it'll store enough, hopefully. I'm not trying to get a whole lot of goodies while we're gone on a trip, but I don't know how long we'll be gone for. So, and I'm hopefully going to make that journey today in this episode, but we'll see. Oh, well, that's not good. I don't like that. Okay. Well, I definitely want it to be on the front. How are we going to go about this? What other small grid weapons do we have? We have autocannon turret, Gatling gun. Okay, I want to use a Gatling gun, but the problem, I don't like that. We'll put them on the side. And if you don't know what my problem is that I'm talking about, if I weld this real fast, we can see, hopefully. There's no conveyor system on the back, so I would have to wire piping all the way up through here. And I can do that, I just don't want to do that. Okay, I need 2 metal grids. Do I have 2 metal grids available for me? I do. Cool. So we've got our Gatling guns set up. I'm trying to think if I want to do that or not. I'll refrain from adding more at the moment. I think 2 will be enough, especially because I'm going to make my own guns as well. I think what's more important that I do right now is I make thrusters. So before I go overboard, let me count how many I want. I want 4 bottom thrusters for sure. Let me weld this while I think about it. I want 4 bottom thrusters for sure. We can have 2 in the forward direction, 2 in the backward direction. Or no, 1 in the forward direction, 2 in the backward direction, and then we'll put 2 going up. I think that'll be enough. So that's what, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 thrusters, I think. And we're going to use atmospheric thrusters, like I said. We're going to use small ones. Perfect. And then we're also going to need to craft batteries. We'll get 2 of those. I need to think about how I want to do this. I'll put the batteries at the very end. I think they don't take up that much space. I think that's all the space they take up. I hope that is it. And then we're gonna probably create 1 or 2 solar panels depending on how much space we got. And then we'll be good to go, and I'll take my... Oh, I'm gonna craft a pore detector as well and an antenna just to be on the safe side. But other than that, we should be good to go. And I'll fill up one of these things with enough Gatling gun ammo to survive, to last me. And we'll create a camera on the front too. I think that'll be important. There's a few things we need to do with this ship that I haven't done yet. Okay. Atmospheric thrusters. How do I want to do this? Well, I definitely want... I'm trying to think about the best way to do this. Okay, we're going to place the bottom thrusters here. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, I think I did those backwards. No? I think we're good. I always forget which way to put these. It's not that hard to tell, obviously, but I always forget. Okay, so we're right below that. 4. Okay, so we got our 4 downward thrust. We'll put our 1 forward thrust. I don't know where I want to put that. I'll think about it later. I'll put another landing gear on here as well. Got our forward thrust. I want access to the cargo, so I won't put it there. I'll put our backwards thrust here, though. 1 below. 1 below. But our batteries are going to go here, supposedly. So that means we could put 1 here. Cool with that. And then we'll just put these here for dampeners. Is that 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, that's 9. Awesome. I don't know how many of these we're going to be able to get in. I didn't take all of the materials from the assembler, so we'll see. But it's looking pretty good. We're going to... Yeah, that's the problem, too. We can't take this on our maiden journey yet. We're going to have to wait for it to charge. But I think I can charge up a decent bit of it right now because it's sunny. So we'll see. What else do we forget? We're forgetting these two right here. Yeah, I knew we were forgetting something. Motors. It's okay. It's okay. Grab all these motors real fast. We got our battery components too. That's a plus. We can start charging up the batteries while we wait. There we go. Okay. Do I have batteries out? No, I don't. And then we'll also get a solar panel. Was I right? Did I calculate? Oh my god. I calculated it correctly. Roll this all the way up. Roll this all the way up. Oh, that is a problem, isn't it? 8. How big? How much does this hang off? Not all that much. Yeah, we'll fix this. We'll fix that real fast. No problem. No problemo. Right there. We only need 1, I think, to dampen this enough to where... Because, I mean, we've only got 2 back thrusters, so I think half of that is enough to fix my problem. At least for the time being.
Hello.
And then we're gonna have to put some of these down, I think. Uh-oh. Ran out of jetpack fuel. It's fine. We'll get more when I'm crafting the solar panel button. We'll go up to the edge of there. Go up to the... Oh, nope. Okay, we'll do it now. Where's my... Hydrogen is right here. We'll queue up a solar panel real fast. There's 1 queued up. We'll wait for the components to load completely. There we go. Should be good. And then we will build all this again. Okay. Hopefully, that is enough to make this solar panel look somewhat normal on here. Why can I not? What? Oh, okay. There we go. Alright, I'm sorry for that abrupt cut last time, guys, but something came up. But I have done a little bit of work. It's only been like 20 minutes or something. I don't know how long it's been. It's not been that long. I did a little bit of work. I welded the solar panel. I added two thrusters on the back because I was an idiot and I forgot that left to right was a direction. So we've got these thrusters on the back, a little bit of armor to protect them, a gyroscope, an antenna. The Gatling guns have full ammo now, and we've produced weapons of our own for the fight. We've got some ammunition in here if we want to use it. We've what else do we do? We added more landing gear on the bottom and the solar panel up top. So we are pretty much good to go. I need to make a camera real fast for sure. I'll put it top mounted. Craft that real fast. Cameras are pretty cool. Oh, I learned something too. I want to try something. How do you hold Alt, I think? Yeah. Cool. So we get a free view of this. Okay, I like that. Okay, we're good. Anyways, wait, can I zoom in with that? Hang on, this is really fascinating to me. No, we can't. Whatever. It's fine. Okay, anyways. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I really needed to do. I think we're good to begin the long journey. So yeah, I mean, I promise we do that in this video. So let me just get a few things in order and we'll head off. Let me deposit all this stuff into the cargo container. Stuff I don't need to use. What else do I need to do? I need to fill this up all the way. There we go. Do we need a survival kit? There's not room for a survival kit. We'll go no survival kit. We'll do it. Screw it. I don't know how much power we have. We have 5 hours of power, I think. Hang on, what if I turn these on? We still have 5 hours of power. Alright. We're off. Let's do this. Oh, we have 12 minutes of power. 13 minutes of power. Well, I guess we can explore for 13 minutes. I don't know how long that is in game time, so... Oh, we are running out of power fast. It's fine. I just want to see what's over this cliff, really. If we get down to it, I'll have to stop the ship, I think, and recharge. It's fine. We can wait for it to recharge. I'm cool with that. But I really do want to see what's over this cliff. Hopefully we can come in contact with a beacon or something, and we can see... really, we can just see what's going on, hopefully. That's what I... Hopefully we get a signal from someone is what I really want. But that's all we can do right now, really, is just hope. So... I'm trying to use the thrust as little as possible, conserve energy, so... I guess... This is really... Oh, shoot. I wanted to do this. So this is the view we're getting. Looks great, by the way. But there's not really much here. So far, all we've got is a nice view of the cliff. But no signals. We're 7 kilometers away. I think the signal on the respawn pad is good for 50 kilometers, so that's good to know, but I don't know. We don't have that much energy. We still have 18 minutes, so that's good. I'll go a little bit further in this direction, and then I'll circle back, and we'll try to pick up more next episode if we don't get anything this episode. But we don't have enough power for this ship to last. I want to get like 1 to 2 hours of power, hopefully. And I think that'll really help our situation. But so far, I mean, it's a great view, but there's nothing there for me. The ship itself, we've got a good weight. If you haven't noticed, it only weighs 18... Yeah, it's 18,000 pounds, so that's pretty good. We've got a nice little ravine to our left, or a lake, but no signals. I think we should continue in the circle, I guess. Unfortunately, because it is not producing any signal thus far. Now, granted, in the one other time I tried to do this, it did take me a little bit to find the trading post, so I guess it'll have to be a consolation. That it might take me a little bit. But I'm circling back now. Really just because I'm running low on power, if you couldn't tell. If you look at the bottom right of my screen, if you're wondering what I'm talking about, it says I've got 16 minutes of battery. And yeah, we're using a solar panel, but I don't think it's really doing us any justice right now. I think next episode we go down there. Hopefully, maybe we could see something down there. It looks like if anyone was to build a base there, it'd be in that area. But this view, man, this view is just incredible. Can I zoom in? Oh yeah, I can. Okay. I'm taking a photo. How do I do that? Um, yeah, that's how you take a photo. Awesome. There we go. I've always wondered how you could change the view, and I just found that out randomly. Let me turn on my guide again so I can get my signals back on there. How do I make sure? Huh. It's a little weird. It's okay. We'll fly back now though. We're running low on juice. Well, it seems to be that this episode wasn't a total bust, but it wasn't great. But that's okay. I have confidence. I think we will be able to find a station next episode. I will try to devote the whole episode to that premise, hopefully. We'll see what happens. I can't control these things sometimes. But yeah, it was pretty successful nonetheless. I mean, we built this ship. We took it on a test drive. We learned that the power isn't great. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.